DJ ARKULEN. Bass is rising, sound awake, deep pressure moving. Let it shake, turn it up slow, let the low end breathe. Feel that power underneath. Clean kick, deep zone, bass vibration in the zone. This is the test, this is the vibe. Low frequency comes alive, sound stays clean, pressure grows, deep bass energy starts to flow. Blow, 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 blow. Bass boosted, sound goes wide, deep bass vibes. Move inside, feel the pressure, feel the wave. DJ ARKULEN controls the bass. Every beat hits, every line goes low. Bass keeps moving with a heavy flow. Not just loud, not just force. Clean sound running on its course. Speakers react, headphones here. Low end power pulling near. Deep vibration, smooth sensation. This is the bass sound test station. Step by step, the energy climbs. Bassline moving in perfect time. Strong but clean, wide but tight. Deep sound rolling through the night. Ready for the hit, ready for the sound. Let the bass move all around. Clean attack, deep impact. One more drop, bring it back, 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 back. Bass boosted, sound goes wide, deep bass vibes. Move inside, feel the pressure, feel the wave. DJ ARKULEN controls the bass. Listen to the depth, listen to the space. Every sound system has its own bass. Low end feeling, clear vibration, extreme sound test in rotation. One last ride.